guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is just going to be a quick get ready with me. It's my everyday weekend makeup that I do, so I'm currently getting ready to go to church, so I decided to just film this video. And don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and also like and subscribe. So let's just get started with the video. Completed look, a simple eye makeup with a bit of bronzing and highlighting, and then a nice colorful lip. I always use this makeup. This is like my go-to makeup look if I just want something simple, and then I always add a pop of color to my lips, either a red lip or a pink lip or a coral lip depending on how I'm feeling. I just do the simple makeup and then I just add a pop of color. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know what are the videos you would like to see. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate all the comments and the likes on my videos. It really motivates me to keep going. So yeah, I love you guys so much. Stay blessed and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.